Hey there, I'm Chris Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and today we want to talk about one of the most powerful things you can do in real estate, and that is working with other people, right? Investing with other people. Sometimes people let the idea that they don't have a lot of money really hold them back, or maybe it's you don't have a lot of time. Well, there are other people who have both time and money and or interest in investing in real estate. Maybe one of the best things for you to do can be to pool your money with other people to be able to get started in buying property, whether it be rental property or it be used for another purpose like flipping or renovation. This allows you to spread your cost and spread the liability, so to speak, of doing a new investment. The dangers of working with other people is also something I want to bring up for you. You want to make sure that the people you have involved are all clearly aligned with the same or at least very similar goals in mind. If you bring people onto the project who expect money back quickly or quicker than what you intend or what you expected to be back from the project, usually causes real problems. We always tell people don't invest money unless you could say goodbye to it and not need it for many, many years to come. Think of it as a future investment payoff that will come many years down the road. Now, some investments turn over fast, but if you don't have a marathoner's mindset going in, you'll be very disappointed when the process takes a long time. If you got more questions about getting involved, setting up groups, we'll definitely be looking to do more videos with some highly skilled professionals like attorneys in the future, maybe down the road. If you got, definitely follow us below, subscribe to our content, and you'll see some of those videos when they pop up.